There are a variety of resources that can be used on test day. This video will show what stacked translations and translated test directions look like. This designated support is something that may be assigned by a teacher depending on a student's need. During testing, stacked translation and translated test directions may be assigned to you before you start testing if you speak both English and Spanish and can benefit from being able to read items and directions in Spanish. These resources are only available for the math and science assessments. If you have been assigned this support by your teacher, this is what it will look like. If selected prior to testing, you will be able to read all of the instructions in Spanish before you begin. Stacked translation will allow you to read both the Spanish and English versions of all items on the test, Spanish on top and English underneath. Remember, these resources are only available for the math and science assessments. All of the menu items on the test screen will also be in Spanish. Note that different devices may require different actions in order to make these selections. Thanks for watching.